Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. As you can see here, I know that this is a bit late for this phone and you might be thinking why I got this phone right now. Recently the Google launched the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but my dear friends, the problem is that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are not up to the mark of how Samsung makes the phone. First of all, the build quality, I like the quality that Pixel has made, but there are still a lot of flaws in their phones. So when I get one, I will compare that with this phone later. But first, let's open this phone and check it out what we get inside the box. It is a 256GB model, 8GB RAM, awesome mint, you can see here. This is the model number A736BDS, means dual SIM. And on the side it is mentioned as Galaxy A73 5G. On the back, as you can see here, the price is mentioned as 49,990. That is 50,000 you can say, but you can get it a good deal around 39,000 or 40,000. Okay, so it is manufactured in India, and as always, Samsung has left giving charger. As you can see, the box width tells that there is no charger in here. So let's open this up and check it out. So the packaging is really simple. I don't see anything paperwork or anything here. As you can see, this is the phone and it looks really nice and really cool. Here it is mentioned also Samsung made in India. Yes, it's a very good thing. And the camera cutout is really nice as compared to the earlier phone that we had, the Galaxy M52. This has also softer side, but it has an edge, you can see here, but this doesn't have edge. This has an edge, but it is smoothened out. So the size of the phones are both same, I suppose. Yes, both are same. Both have a Snapdragon 778G processor and 8GB of RAM. Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. So let's keep this aside and check what we get inside the box. There's the SIM ejector tool, and there is a USB-C cable and some paperwork. Let's check. It's a USB-C to C cable. My friends, this phone supports 25-watt fast charger, not the 45-watt kind, and regional lock and all. That's all the things. So that's all what we get inside here, nothing else. So Samsung has also left providing charger even in the budget phones. This is not a good thing. Let's boot this phone up and check. I will be not opening this film here because my friends, I will be making immediately a screen protector installation video. In that video you can see the rip-off of this protective film, because if I remove this I won't be able to install the tempered glass perfectly. So as you can see here, but what the hell, let's open this up. It looks really nice and I'm unable to control myself. So this is the phone, my friends, as you can see here. Okay, so it feels really nice in the hand. The feel is really good as compared to the M52. M52 feels a bit slim because of the sides. As you can see here, this has a wider side, but this has a rounded sides, so this feels a bit slim, but both have this 5000 mAh batteries and both have the same screen. And my friends, as I told you, this doesn't have a silver ring around the camera. As you can see, this and also this doesn't have a silver ring around the screen. So this is a tempered glass installed. So this is without tempered glass, but still there is no silver ring around the front camera, which we get in with the Samsung S20 Fan Edition and A52s that I made a video in my channel. You can check it out. On the back we get 3 cameras, and the first one is the small one you can see here. This is a 12 megapixel camera, and the big one is 108 megapixel camera, and there is a 5 megapixel camera and another 5 megapixel camera. So the 108 is a wide f1.8 camera, and 12 megapixel is ultra wide f2.2, and one is a macro, and another one is a depth camera. So we get 4 cameras and a flash. On the front side we get 32 megapixel f2.2 camera, same as our Galaxy M52. The only difference is that this has optical image stabilization, whereas in the Galaxy M52 we don't get an optical image stabilization camera. Instead it gets a 64 megapixel wide camera, where this is 108, and 12 megapixel ultra wide, both are same, and 5 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel macro, both have the same macro camera, as you can see here. So this is the main one camera is more for the depth, and the display, as you can see, is the same display. The size of the display is same, M52 and A73. The phone's width and everything is same, only the difference is the space. That comes with a 128 GB of 8 GB of RAM highest. This comes with a 8 GB 256 GB of internal storage, as well as this phone has water resistant and it has a Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, same as the M52, but this has been 1 meter depth, 30 minutes, has a IP67 water and dust resistance. And one more thing, my friends, this is slightly heavier than the Galaxy M52. That is, the Galaxy M52 comes with 173 grams, whereas this comes with 181 grams, but both feel the same. So let's check the physical side. Below we can see there is a microphone here, USB-C port, speaker here. On the right hand side there's power button and volume up down. Left hand side nothing there, totally plain. On top we get the SIM ejector slot and another microphone for noise cancellation. Let's open the SIM ejector tool and let's see what functions we get there, like 2 SIMs or 1 hybrid and 1 SIM, like that. So if we open this, you can see here. So this is a hybrid dual SIM. So either you can get 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card, or 2 SIM, no micro SD card. So that's all, my friends. Also this phone supports 5G bands, that is all 12 bands in India. So you are no worries about when now Airtel launched 5G and all, then you no need to worry about getting your phone connected or not. Just make sure you, after you boot the phone, install the latest software update so that you can catch up to all the functions. Rest all is nice and good, and I'll give you further feedback if I find anything with this phone. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was a quick unboxing and first impression of this Galaxy A73 5G. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will also share the link in the description how to buy this product. If you stay safe and do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.